The Kia Sonet is ready for launch. We have already shown you our overall impressions of the car and also told you everything you need to know, from its engine and gearbox options to its cabin space and features. But now it's time for a deep dive into its tech. The car looks modern and contemporary, and some tech is visible straight away with those cool LED head and tail light units. It is also studded with safety equipment like 6 airbags, anti-lock brakes, hill assist, stability control and brake assist. It also has a reverse camera and parking sensors. But that screen on which you see that camera view is what interests us a lot too. So from the inside, the Sonet is full of whiz-bang gadgetry, and it all starts with this huge infotainment system display. It's got a 10.25-inch panel. Imagine, this screen is so big, it's bigger than the first generation iPad's display. And in fact, even most current iPads have a smaller screen than this display, and it's bright and vivid, and obviously it is a capacitive touch panel, and it has got a whole host of media controls, navigation system, radio, CarPlay and Android Auto. Yes, the screen is a huge USP and talking point. Having the latest connectivity features is also great, and yes, the car will also give you the wireless charging option. So if you use a phone that supports wireless charging, you don't need to hook up your USB cable. You just need to keep the phone on the pad and boom, it starts charging. That being said, it should be noted that your phone would charge at a slow pace with the wireless charger, because most wireless charging only enables basic charging speeds, not fast charging. On top of this car also supports Kia's Yuvo platform, which is a full smart connected car platform which will give you all kinds of analytics about the car and also let you control a lot of the features of the car remotely. And that happens because this car comes with an embedded eSIM which enables the connection over the cloud. So in terms of gadgetry, this car is really decked up. Yuvo enables the user to access the telematics of the car and also get diagnostic information about it. Through Yuvo, one can also unlock the car remotely, start the air conditioner in advance, and also geo-fence the usage of the car, especially if it is being chauffeur-driven. The biggest calling card of this is the sound system. You get a premium Bose sound system, and it is great for all kinds of music, be it deep house, hip-hop, thrash metal or good old Bollywood. And you can control it, you can even set it up in such a way that if you are just a solo rider, you can have the entire focus of the sound system be focused on the driver's seat. If you're on the back seat, you can set it up that way. So there's a lot of convenience out here, and this is a pretty slick system. It also comes with an air purifier that's built into the rear of the cabin. This is a really handy feature considering the times we are living in and the levels of pollution in India. It comes with an air purifier which combines virus protection, a rarity in the segment. It is as effective as aftermarket air purifiers. This feature will only be available in the top-end variants, but third-party offerings from Honeywell and Current Systems can be still installed. Under the hood, you get 3 engine types, but the most advanced is undoubtedly the 1-liter GDI turbo petrol. Smaller displacement turbocharged engines are really catching on, and cars like the Volkswagen T-Roc and Polo, Skoda Karoq and Rapid, Kia's own Seltos, and Hyundai's Creta, Aura and Grand i10 Neos have kept the spotlight on them. You get a more energetic response, and in many cases they get more advanced dual clutch automatic gearboxes. In the case of the Sonet, it's a 7-speed DCT. Like its Hyundai Alter Ego, the Venue, this car will also sport a variant of this GDI engine with the intelligent manual transmission. The clutchless manual transmission system is a cool thing for people who are real motorheads and also want the convenience of not having to deal with a clutch in heavy traffic. It provides the best of both worlds. It is also handy for people who have some injury on their legs, enabling them an almost automatic-like feel in a package that has manual shifts. Now, while we cannot wait to sample it all on the open road, on the whole,
the Kia Sonet looks loaded with a lot of technology. The great news is that given its subcompact size and positioning, many will still look to opt for the top-end variants, meaning a lot of the kit we just showed you would be standard on their cars.